Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to dive into the fastest way to translate using Weglot. So here's a breakdown. Weglot is a translation platform that makes it incredibly easy to turn your website multilingual very fast. You have the plugin or the script, then choose your languages, and Weglot automatically dictate and translate your content. It works with WordPress, Shopify, Webflow, and more, giving you a globally accessible site without deep tech work. The pros include the super quick setup, automatic mention translation, you can edit manually, real-time languages switching, and built-in SEO support, so translate pages can rank in local search. The cons include the subscription pricing that grows with content size, brilliance, and automatic translation, and fewer deep customization features that can go fully manual. So in my opinion, I actually think the Weglot is what you're using in 2025 if one of the fastest, easiest way to launch a multilingual site and boost international traffic, especially if you want a simplified and SEO tools without complex setup. And that's it. I'll find the video up for a video. Don't know the notification button and subscribe for more review.